advisors, are you looking to generate leads on LinkedIn and have better and much more effective conversations with high net worth prospects? Well, if you answered yes, then you need to do your research, okay? Understanding your prospects' interests, pleasures, and pains before your first meeting is critical for any successful prospecting strategy or marketing campaign. So, in this video, get excited because we have financial advisor Mike Wilson, and he is going to walk us through a LinkedIn profile and also teach us how to read between the lines. All right, let's check it out.
Well, hello there. This is Mike Wilson with Advisorist, and today we're just going to talk about the wealth of information that are available sometimes on people's profile pages that can allow you to have more effective communication, better timed communication, and hopefully further your marketing efforts better and serve your clients better. So one of the first things I want to point you to, and you probably have seen this before, but is the section under the profile name called contact information. And if you click on this, this is a great way to figure out how to connect with these people in places other than LinkedIn. So some people will have literally nothing in this box other than their LinkedIn profile, but you can see that some people who are willing to work and want to connect with people and want to interact, they're going to put their phone number, they're going to put their email, sometimes their birthday, which can be useful. I happen to be connected to this person, so when they connected with you. So under contact information is really, really a good way to find out what's going on with that person and how to get in touch with them. So if they ever messaged you, but you had a hard time connecting with them again on LinkedIn because maybe they're not there that often, you can go into contact information, get a phone number, get an email, reach out. The other thing you can do is go look at their company and see what company they're with, and just go to Google, find out what the telephone number is, and call that person who answers the phone and find out how best to get a hold of someone like Kathy or anybody else. So using their business listing will also tell you how to get in contact with them. Now, Kathy just happens to have a birthday on August 30th, so you could send them birthday greetings. You could send them a birthday card. So many people do it by text and email these days. A birthday card would enhance your ability to connect with this person as well. Additionally, you can look at their connections. This person has over 500 or 500 plus connections. So I don't know if that's 501 or 999, but it's a lot of connections. And you can look through, and sometimes you can say, hey, who do I know that they know, or who do they know that I need to know? And you can go through and look at all of their various connections. And if you have a connection with this person, you can say, hey, would you mind, Kathy, would you mind introducing me to Brad Warren? It'd really be helpful, right? Or whatever. So there's tools that can be used, and you can click through all of these screens to see all of their connections. You can go through it painstakingly if you want, depends on what you're looking for specifically and trying to find. Okay, so that's a second thing that you can use, the wealth of information inside of the LinkedIn profile. On top of that, you can also see activity. You can see what they've been commenting on. So it's possible that they commented on something that might be of interest to you, and you should go look at it. And if it is, comment. And you might even tag that person when you comment to let them know that, hey, they were the reason that you saw that. That's a great way to do it. It's also great to look at what they've been posting to see what activity they're doing, so you can share with that, you can comment on it, talk to them about it. If there's something that you can do to connect them with someone else in your network, if they're working on something. I see posts all the time where people are saying, hey, we're looking for this material for our project. We're looking for these kinds of people to work in our firm, et cetera, et cetera. Well, you might know some of them, and you could make a contact and certainly have a great benefit for more than one person, but also enhance your relationship with that person as well. The About section in the profile provides a wealth of information. It's really a good idea to read this. If you are serious about talking to someone and interacting with them, it's really a good idea to read this and understand who you're dealing with, and maybe in your communication you can make reference to it. Of course, you can look at their experience, their work experience and all, and that may very well allow you to interact with them or comment on their things, or quite frankly make introductions that would be helpful for them. So there's a literal wealth of information involved in the profile, and you just have to go looking for those various nuggets, and as you do, it'll enhance your ability to message people, to contact people, to send them emails, to leave them messages, to introduce them to others, and really make your presence with them on LinkedIn that much more valuable. I hope this was helpful to you. Keep digging, keep using the amazing tool that LinkedIn is, and it will help your business. Thanks for listening.
Thanks, Mike. I just love how practical these techniques are. You don't need any fancy strategies and software and tools and things like that to do this. You can literally implement this approach today and start enhancing your ability to generate leads on LinkedIn. I love it. Hey, if you found this video helpful, do me a quick favor. Go ahead, tap that thumbs up button, and hit that red subscribe button to get access to all of our weekly videos just like this. We got much more coming, and on to the next. All right, have a good one.